Oh my god, these are so long.
My name is Thuy and I am a celebrity manicurist. I've been doing nails for about 14 years. I'm from Torrance, California. My parents worked a lot. My father passed away when I was young, and so my mom had to do a lot of the back-breaking work. And so I started doing nails as a way to fund my own extracurriculars. Understanding someone's style and being able to use that and create nail art on their nails is always a challenge for me, and I really like that challenge.
I'm Mimi D. I'm a manicurist and nail artist. I am an editorial manicurist, which means I work on set doing photo shoots for magazines and billboards and campaigns. I decided to save up my money, put myself through nail school, I got my license, and 8 years later, here I am. So we just found out that the theme is gradient and jungle.
I think it's super fun. I'm kind of excited. We have 2 hours to do this.
Nail gods be with us.
Good luck, Zen.
So I'm mixing a little white with the yellow to make a lighter yellow. And then that way I can do my gradient from yellow to yellow. A lot of different things inspire my nail art. Seeing anything with like bright colors or color splashes, something that's super vibrant. So anything that's like, ooh, that's cool. I think I can put that on a nail. That's really what inspires my nail art.
I am using a black base just because I like how vibrant the colors will pop up and give it that boom factor. Jungle, so I'm thinking the Jungle Book, and then I'm thinking monstera leaves and all of the major big plant leaves. That's the fun of nail art, is that you literally can just throw all of your ideas onto. You have 10 fingers, so you really can't go wrong. So right now I'm just laying different colors on these leaf patterns that I'm drawing. I have an immense amount of love for plants, especially indoor plants. Yeah, my house is literally a jungle.
I'm saving my plant life for when I move.
You're moving?
Yeah, I have a kid now, so.
Okay, I have 3. And
3?
yeah, I adopted them.
Oh, really?
The fall of 2012, I was en route to go to medical school. I was supposed to start during the fall, but during summertime, my sister passed away, and I adopted her 3 children. So when I became a mom overnight, I didn't really have the bandwidth to go to medical school and be a mom at the same time. So I solely focused on my kids for a year. After a year, I decided to do nails again and kind of just get back into that creative element. It makes people happy. And I've had so much unhappiness through my life that I just wanted to focus on that. Seeing people happy makes me happy.
That's amazing.
Do you have a boy?
I do. Micah.
Oh, that's such a beautiful name. How old is Micah?
He'll be 2 in October.
Oh, he's a baby.
He's a baby. The toughest thing about being a mom is, of course, just being away from my son. You know, I know that I'm working and, you know, making money, obviously, to provide for him. So even though it's tough, it's great and I love it.
I'm working on my last nail.
What?
No, for one hand.
For one hand. I was gonna say, oh my God!
Right now I feel a little bit nervous because I feel like we're crunching down to the wire, and I still have a lot I feel like I wanna do. So if I tell myself I'm not gonna stress out, I'm gonna try to not stress out, you know, manifest.
Oh my God, I love it. I'm doing a poison dart frog nail. I'm just going and adding on the details. I have a lot to do, but I think now that, you know, I have the like in my brain, I'm like, okay, you gotta go. So I think I'm okay on time. I'm a little first though.
The little decals will just enhance it on top, giving it that different dimension, you know what I'm saying? So people have been really into these press-on nails during COVID, because like if they're doing a Zoom call, they can just pop it on really fast. You could probably reuse them like a lot of times if you just care for them properly. Okay, so I have 2 more nails to do. How are you doing over there?
I have 3 more to do.
Ooh. Oh my Lord, they're so cute.
There's a minute left.
Better get them on now, I'm working as fast as I can. Last nail.
All right, now it's time to see each other's nails.
You go first. Oh my God, that's so cute. I love it. Yes, queen.
Thanks. I love how they turned out. What I've learned is that I can go faster and still achieve the same look. As much as I love this look, I'm very glad that I did this on press-ons because mom life, I don't know how Cardi B does it because these are way too long for me and hers are twice as long. So I love these, but I honestly cannot wait to take them off. Okay, let me see yours, let me see yours. Oh, yes, green. Yes. Oh, that's so good.
And then,
okay, let me see because I want to see this panda. Look at the panda.
my little cameo for my panda.
I love it. We have to give him a name or her a name.
Gonna name him Gilbert. He looks like a Gilbert.
Gilbert, I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
So dark and some light.
Yes, we kind of did the same thing, like color, light.
Really happy with it. I was able to have creative freedom, but it was a little bit hard in that trying to figure out which one of my 100 ideas I was going to put onto the actual nails. Mimi did an exceptional job. I thought her design was very creative. I love all of the animal prints. Hers are all so colorful, but they all tied in so well together, and I'm like amazed.
I think we both won because we both did things differently.
To say who won, I don't know. Who do you think should win this challenge? Please leave your comments below.
You knocked it out of the park, girlfriend.
You did an amazing job with your nails. I don't know, hopefully maybe we'll work on a project together soon.
Yes, let's do it. Bye. Thank you for watching Refinery29.
Click here to watch more videos and click here to subscribe.